Hi guys! Tara, samahan niyo akong kumain today sa Walk It Out Cubao. Located lang siya sa tapat ng Gateway, Mall 2. As you can see, medyo mahaba na yung pila. Pang 15 ako, but don't worry, mabilis naman umusad. Quick fit check muna, then ganito yung process. Pipila ka, sasagutan mo yung parang exam sheet kung anong order mo, ibibigay sa receptionist, tapos pila ulit. After a few minutes, finally, nakaupo na ako inside. This is their menu, guys. Screenshot yun na lang para ma-check nyo yung prices. If you want to know my honest food review, keep on watching!
Hi guys, I'm Krisha. I'm currently at Walk It Out. I'm so happy. First time kong kumain dito. Kasi sabi ng mga tao is pretty similar to sa Din Tai Fung. Ang daming nakapila. The trick is, guys, don't ever look at the time. Don't ever use your phone. Pag tinitingnan mo, mas lalo ka maiinip. Sige po. Thank you po. We have the shrimp fried rice, sweet and sour pork, and then pork wonton chili oil. Ang dami nito, te. Meron chai with garlic, and then their drinks. This. Ito natin yung drinks, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, in fairness. Sabi kasi nila malasa daw to kahit walang ulam. Medyo matabang. Like, may umami siya pero matabang siya. So, next, we have this. Kasi sweet and sour to. So, obviously, meron siyang acid. Yung tamis medyo hindi ko malasahan. Meron siyang konting lansa. Hindi naman pa super arts sa marikain. Basta masarap siya. Kakainin ko. Lalamunin ko pa rin yan. So, next, let's try this one. Yung crave ko talaga to, promise. Chili oil. Ang sarap. I love that. Kasi siyang innovative na master siomai. Sarap. Sarap.
What the dog doing?
Ang sarap ng ulam. Lalo na itong sweet and sour. Kasi, amat sweet siya. Bakit? Feeling ko kasi nakakain ko ng sweet and sour pag may maghanda. So, feeling ko it's something special. Ang sarap nitong chili wonton. You might be wondering, hindi ba nakaka-conscious like kumain ng isa, gano'n, lumabas ng isa. Kasi I found it from my friends na most of them, kapag nakakita sila ng isang makain na awa daw sila. I've never had that like feeling towards the other pag nakita ko sila kumain ng isa. Kasi for me, ako sanay na kumain ng isa. Most of the time, yung mga kaibigan ko before, lagi silang hindi available, like lagi silang may busy schedule. So, imbes na hindi matuloy yung lakad, naalis na lang ako mag-isa. Kasi sayang yung moment na mag-enjoy ka. Tapos naghihintay ka ng ibang tao na sasama sa'yo. Which is, hindi dapat girl. Because these people, you can never really say if how long sila magiging kaibigan or kung yung jowa mo na how long mo yun makakasama. So, even if you have like a surplus of people that can join you, let's say, don't always depend on them. Because at the end of the day, ikaw yung kawawa kapag hindi ka marunong maging independent. Super moist nung pork and yung wrapper niya. Like, ang lambot-lambot. One thing that I like is they have service water. Kasi wala akong pake kasi kami sa bahay, umiinom kami straight from the gripo kapag naubusan ko ng mineral. So, it's proven and tested na even si mura. Sarap no. Sarap, ang sarap. Sarap na. Chikahan ko lang kayo. I'm a foodie. I would love to think that I'm a foodie. Every day I wake up, I'm so excited to decide what food I will eat. Kain. Most especially sa mga healthy food. Pero kasi nakakatakam panoorin ang bulldog na minumukbang. Nakakatakam panoorin yung mga chicken tenders, gano'n. Nakakatakam din ang potato corner. Like, every weekend, hindi pa din ako nagpa-potato corner. Before, I was diagnosed pre-hyperthyroidism. Like, minsan talaga, sobrang lala niya that every day, siguro makaka 10 times na babagal yung tibok ng puso ko. Ang bagal niya, na parang, girl, titibok ko ba siya nun? Sabi sa sarili ko, okay, I will make sure to take care of myself na I will live healthily kasi unfortunately, I'm not getting younger that nakakain ako ng unhealthy, I still incorporate like veggies on it. And yung potato corner, hindi ko na siya ginagawang weekly para magkaroon ng loyalty card sa potato corner. Habang kukain, sa episode 7 ako. I'm done with my food. To be honest, hindi ko siya naubos kasi I have a worry na kakain na ang person na to, babae. So, I want to try this. Nga, hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick again. So, sabi ni Les, parang binubutasan ba to? Bobo ata ako, be. Malimig na yung shalong bao. Masarap siya. I love yung hindi siya super tamis. Okay? And chewy yung yung wrapper niya. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. That sums up my walk it out food vlog. Salamat po sa panonood. Mga ate, kuya, balik po tayo sa susunod. Para mas marami pa